First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, this video is a special video for the students, those who are preparing for SBI CLERK 2024 exam. So do not forget to watch all the series video on this SBI CLERK. So here I will be teaching you only 15 question on important topics on quantitative aptitude. I'm not going to teach you all the quantitative aptitude topics, just only few topics where you can easily crack the question in the prelims exam. So do not forget to watch all the videos that I am posting for SBI CLERK. And another important thing, the test series. So watching a video is not at all enough to clear the exam. Just after watching the video, purchase the test. Quantitative aptitude and reasoning both are in a single package. So after purchasing it, start writing the test. It will be available on mobile application as well as it is available on the website. So do not forget to purchase it and start writing the test. And if you have only 1 month of time, I hope 1 month of time, and many students, if you want to prepare hardly, right? So just go with the pendrive package. I will give you all the videos of YouTube, feel free to learn YouTube videos on this pendrive on an offline mode, so that you can just like that watch all the videos. You can watch all my 500 YouTube videos on offline mode, right? So that within a 1 month you can just like that prepare for SBI CLERK. So do not forget these two both, right? And then let me move on to the important topics on quantitative aptitude now. So friends, in this video number 8 on the preparation of SBI CLERK Prelims Exam 2024 exam. So now we will be discussing about one of the important section, that is on reasoning ability, arrangements. So before knowing about this arrangement, I hope you have only 4 or 5 days for the exam, right? January 5, I think the prelims exam is getting started. So I hope you have learnt all the topics, you have watched all my videos, and you have written all the test series. So definitely clearing a prelims exam will be very easy if you follow whatever things I have said previously, right? So after this prelims exam, start preparing for the mains. So mains also I have posted 11 data interpretation, that is for mains level exam, as well as I am posting arrangements also, difficult arrangements also in my YouTube channel. So do not forget to watch all those videos after writing the prelims exam, right? So now in this video, I am not going to solve any arrangement question here. Just you have to analyze and what are all the previous year, right? What are all the previous year question paper was in the topic arrangement. So after analyzing, and you have to know what topics and what arrangement you have to attend in your prelims exam. And some of the arrangement in the recent competitive exams, you should not touch in the prelims exam. For example, there are 2 arrangements usually you can able to see in the recent year bank competitive exam. One is an unknown person arrangement. I hope everyone have seen it, right? So a certain number of people are sitting in a circle, right? You can able to see an arrangement start like this: a certain number of people. So which means if it is a circular arrangement, in all the previous arrangement we know, right, there are 8 persons sitting in a circle, 6 persons sitting in a circle. But nowadays in some kind of arrangements, they won't tell you like how many persons are sitting in a circle. There's certain number of people. We have to read the complete passage of the arrangement, and then we have to find how many persons are there in the arrangement. So make sure one thing, not to attend this in the prelims exam, right? If you have extra time, 5 minutes you have extra time, or 4 minutes extra time you have, so at that point you can go with a certain number of people arrangement, or else do not try to solve this arrangement in the prelims exam. Even though you feel easy, do not touch this, because sometime it may take more than 5 or 6 minutes to solve a single question. And second, importantly, if the arrangement is based on inside outside, that is facing, I am saying, right? Circle arrangements. So the circular arrangements, think that there are 8 persons sitting in a circular arrangement. 4 of them were facing inside and 4 of them were facing outside. So facing inside and outside arrangement, do not try to solve in the prelims exam. And most importantly, do not try to solve the certain number of people arrangement in the prelims exam, right? So first, in the reasoning session, I have told you, in the first video itself I have told you, initially you should not solve the arrangement in the prelims exam other than arrangements like coded inequality, or else a blood relation, direction, syllogism, element series, alphanumerical series, and then alphabets. So first try to solve all these topics, because when you take all the previous year SBI clerk prelims exam, so 21, 20, 29, 18, they have asked 3 arrangement, so which means 15 marks only on the topic arrangement, but still there are 20 marks remaining. So try to target the 20 marks first. So your first target should be the 20 marks other than the arrangement. Why? Because sometimes even though you are so brilliant on solving arrangement, aptitude, everything, sometimes if you make a small mistake on any part of the arrangement, it takes more than 5 minutes to solve a single arrangement. So within 15 minutes, right, initial 15 minutes, you have to solve 20 questions in the reasoning ability. That's a target, right? I usually say to my friends, 15 minutes you have to score 20 marks. So remaining 5 minutes you can solve whatever that you are strong. Either you can go with blood relation or you can go with syllogism, all the areas. So always remember one thing, do not touch the arrangement first. So your target should be only on the topics other than arrangement. Coded inequality, blood relation, direction, alphabets, element series, alphanumerical series. So try to solve all those questions and topics within 15 minutes or 12 to 13 minutes at that time, and remaining you have 5 to 10 minutes. At that time you can solve any of the arrangement question, right? So this is the pattern. 2021 they have asked box arrangement, right? So nowadays, you know, box arrangement even in IBBS clerk or in RRB exam, LIC exam. So most of the recent year 2023 bank exams, you can able to see question papers that has a box arrangement in the prelims exam. So that's the reason I have posted a special video, 10 videos only for the box arrangements. I will give you a link here, right? So 10 videos specially for this box arrangement. So first 6 videos will be medium level, easy to medium level arrangements, and then 7, 8, 9, 10 I have posted some difficult level arrangements. So if you are preparing for this prelims exam, do not forget to watch the first 6 video of box arrangements, right? So facing north south, facing north was the 3 arrangement question which was asked in 2021 and 2020. All the years when we see the question papers of SBI clerk, everything was easy, right? Arrangement was very easy, but even though it is easy, do not try to solve the arrangement first in your exams, right? So you know what about the element series, right? Element series, alphanumerical series, element series, alpha numerical series. So in the recent years you can able to see these 2 topics have been asked in the prelims exam, right? I have posted a video as well, so I will give you the link here. So try to watch these 2 videos, alphanumerical series and element series, which is most important, as the topic will be asked for a 5 marks. And syllogism, it's a very rare case in SBI. You can able to see syllogism on IBBS, but in most of the SBI exam, syllogism was not asked in the previous year exam, I am saying. But anyway, you should not leave that, you should prepare syllogism also, right? So make sure, if you try to learn only limited number of conclusions like some, all, no, some not, complementary pair, only few, definitely not, right? Possibility, it is enough. If they ask anything newly, you don't want to solve it, better leave and try to solve other part of the reasoning session, right? So that you won't make any you won't get any negative marks there. So that's the reason I am saying. So what you need to do is in the arrangement session, you know how to solve a circular arrangement, everything, but only thing, practice more and more number of box arrangement also, right? Box arrangement plays a major role in the prelims exam. And in first thing, in a box arrangement, many students usually make this mistake. I will tell you, right, where the students usually make a mistake in the box arrangements. Wait a minute. This is one of the important part in the box arrangement, that is box I is kept 2 boxes above box G. So which means if there are 8 boxes, for example 1, 2, let me draw like this, right? So the box G, right, box I is kept 2 boxes above box G. If you place box G here, box I should not be placed here. Many students will make the mistake. They think that, so box I is placed 2 boxes above. Not like that. It is in the second place, which means box I should be placed here, right? So box I is placed 2 boxes above box G, which means 1 box and a second box. So second box will be box I. So remember, this one of the important point in the box arrangement. Many students usually, without practicing, they just like that go to the exams and they solve it wrongly, right? So box I is kept 2 box above box G. So which means first box and the second box itself will be box I. Not, you should not place box I here, right? This is most important if you are preparing for a prelims exam and if you are going to solve a box arrangement in it. So make sure to understand all these points and the which, right? So which, who and is, but, either or, neither nor, also. So these are the words. Are if we are solving a blood relation, spinster, right? So these are the important words you can able to see in the arrangements, right? Either, neither, spinster, person F is a spinster, or else I've taught everything, right? Everything in my videos. So make sure to understand all these, each and every word, how to solve it in an arrangement question. So I think that's it. And if they have asked a linear arrangement, facing inside, facing 4% facing north, 4% facing south, you can solve it in a prelims exam. Always try to solve a question with a possible diagram, right? Possibilities, 1 or 2 diagrams. I hope if you watched all my videos, I have told you that, right? So even though the question is easy, even though the question has only 4 or 5 lines, so try to draw and solve the question by drawing 1 or 2 possibilities. So only then you will get the answer easily. At any point, you should not touch the 2 questions. One is the person facing inside and outside, and second is the certain number of people arrangements. These 2 kind of arrangement don't touch in the prelims exam, right? So, and then this year based, right? Year based, month based, sorry. So year based and month based, usually you can able to see more on the mains level exam, like Jan month 1927, 1937, 47, those kinds of questions you can see more on the mains exam, not on the prelims exam. But in 2018, this year based question arrangement question was asked. That is very easy as well. They have asked month based, 4 months they have given. So you should know which month has 31 days, which month has 30 days, leap year, non-leap year. So those kinds of questions they have asked in the prelims exam in the year 2018. If you know, solve it, or else better you can leave that arrangement, right? And then other than arrangements, nowadays in this recent bank exam, prelims exam, so most of the students are not solving the arrangement. That is the real truth. Most of the students are solving other than arrangement questions, right? What I have told you initially. And then finally, if they have time, 5 or 10 minutes, they solve the arrangement question. So similarly, you to do it, do not touch the arrangement question first. And another most important thing, do not forget to watch all my 25 arrangement videos. I hope you have 4 or 5 days of time, right? So 4 or 5 days of time. Now it is Jan 2nd. So Jan 5th for 6th you have exam. So 2 to 3 days of time. So in the 3 days, do not forget to watch all my box arrangements. After watching it, do not forget to watch all my 25 medium level arrangement, easy to medium level. That is important for the prelims exam. I will give you a link here. So try to watch all the 25 arrangements. Without watching, you just do one thing. Just go to the question point and try to solve the question on your own. So keep 4 minutes time, 3 minutes time, and try to solve the question and check whether you are getting the same answer what I am getting in that video, right? so that you don't want to waste your time also. Just in 2 to 3 hours you can solve all the 25 questions. And importantly, do not forget to learn these two topics, element series and alphanumerical series. So these two plays a major role in the prelims exam in the recent year. And syllogism, I've told you what are all the things that you need to learn. Blood relation and direction is always important. You can able to see 3 question or 1 question in the exam. In the blood relation, there are 2 important area. One is pointing to a photograph with a word my, and pointing to a photograph without a word my. So these two are important, right? So and then enough, right? This is enough to solve a question and crack in the prelims exam, right? So all the best, do well, right? So I think you can surely crack the prelims exam if you follow proper strategy. And I have told you, right, what are all the topics you have to attend, and I have posted many videos on my YouTube channel itself. So mostly nowadays I'm not posting videos for the prelims exam. Why? Because I have posted all the topic videos, as well as I have given the idea, as well as I have given the homework test also, at least today, right? If you didn't practice the homework, so do not forget to purchase the test. It's just only 99 rupees quantitative aptitude. At least today purchase it and start practicing for 4 days. Every day if you write 10 or 5 homework, that will be enough. In 4 days you can able to crack 20-25 homework test. Surely you can able to crack the prelims exam. At least today start practicing the test, right? So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and all the best. Do well. So next week we will be posting, continuing, not posting, I will be continuing the arrangement, difficult level arrangement for mains level exam, as well as difficult level DA. So both the topics I will be posting from the next week. Do not forget to watch those videos also. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for SBI CLERK prelims exam. So friends, thank you so much.